To be in a key means to choose 7 of the 12 notes. In this case, the 7 notes are the white keys on the piano, starting with C. We can build chords on these notes. We can build scales on these notes. There are 7 colors associated with each one of these notes. So if we start on the first color or note, it's major, which is pretty happy. 2 is Dorian. 3 Phrygian. 4 up to the happy 4, Lydian. 5, Mixolydian, the Mexican hat dance, and a great jumping off point to the blues and rock. The sad minor. Then from the 6 up to the 7, which is the Locrian. And then we'll repeat the major again. Right there we have 7 scales to play in any key. The question is, what key are we in? In this case, we're in the key of C blues, which means we're playing the 1 chord built on the 4, and the 5 chord. And invariably, we're going to end up putting dominant 7th chords on each one. And each time you do that, essentially you're changing keys if you want to look at it that way. So when we're in C 7th, you're now in the key of F. And you can play the 7 modes, or the 7 scales or colors of music, in F. Then when you go to F 7th, which is the 4 in the blues, you're now in the key of B flat, and you can play the 7 scales in the key of B flat. When you go to the 5, G 7th, that really is the 5, because if you want to interpret that as a legitimate key change, then we go to the 5, the G 7th, and then we're in the key of C, and you can play those 7 scales. In this case, we use the major tonality to stress a happier sound.